Howdy y'all, I'm Ben, Kirsch, depending on where you know me from. This is a piece of plastic I made to replace the front bumper trim that Honda was making for the Honda Element when it was new back in 2003. They stopped making it, people can't find them. I thought I'd remanufacture it. So what we're gonna do here is talk about how this thing's installed. All the hardware is included with it. We've got some clips that you'll probably break when you're pulling off the old clips from the old bumper part. And there's some adhesive tape in here, trim tape, automotive trim tape, really strong stuff. That's already included. So basically all you got to do here is either live with raw black ABS like this one, or paint it silver to match. I'm going to paint mine silver to match, but I don't want you guys to get any ideas about what you're getting here. This is raw ABS. You can rock it black. It's good outdoor material for a while. It'll last a lot longer if you paint it. Plastic dip works fine, comes off the car. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is show you how this piece is installed. Super easy, took me about 20 minutes. Yeah, follow along. If you want to know where to get one of these things, check in the comments. I'll probably be throwing them up on eBay or posting them on my personal website. But we're doing $325. You pay shipping. So I'm in Arizona. If you're close to Arizona, that's a little bit better for you. Let's see how easy this thing goes on. All right. Hey y'all, this is Ben Lewis, Kirsch, depending on where you know me from. I made this replacement front bumper trim piece to replace the one that Honda used to sell and no longer makes. And I'm going to show you how easy this thing is to install. So we've got some sticky tape on the back. This is automotive trim tape, super sticky stuff. My prototype stayed on there. I had to kind of rip it off. And then we've got these two holes on the bottom right here, which are going to attach to our clips under here. And then I'm giving you two replacement clips because these things under here get torn up. I don't even have mine in there anymore because this piece is super attached. So first step is we're gonna have to clean this front bumper with degreaser. I've got simple green purple here, which is just a little HD. I've diluted it because you're supposed to. Really anything. It's gonna make sure that your bumper doesn't have anything. Make sure your bumper doesn't have any grime or dirt. That's gonna keep this sticker from sticking. Now, unlike the original OEM mod, this is completely reversible, should not damage your existing trim piece at all. So what this does goes on here. This is black ABS. It is a lot thicker than the original piece, 1/8 inch thick, pretty sturdy. Goes on right here. So we're just waiting for it to dry right now. And you're gonna find the corner that's been bent up on this automotive trim tape. Pull your red off like that. Start turned up. Roll and press. And then all we have to do is put our trim pieces in under here. All right. So under here you can see we're just gonna be putting in these little, here we go, these clips. Push them through, they get fat. Keeps everything in place when you wanna pull them out. You're just trying to get this, this head to pop off. And if you have this handy little tool, it makes it super easy. Just slide it in, pop it up, right? All right, so this goes in the original hole. For the front bumper, you got to push it a little bit. So here we are under the car. Getting these lined up is a little tricky. So I've taken this one out too. It's just the fact that you're trying to get three things to line up at once. You just push it till it goes all the way in. Pop it like that. You're good to go. And then I'm popping this one back in up here after the fact because it's a little bit more flexible. And that's how you install it. You do this on both sides. You're good to go. Rock and roll. There she is, trim installed. You can kind of see her there in the background. Give you a walk around. It looks like up close. Look pretty good. So anyway, I made these things. I'm selling them. If you want one, get in touch with me. And they're real easy to throw on. Makes your car look good. I'll link you to some pictures of it once it's silver. And again, they're coming in black, basic ABS. Rock and roll.